Today we are going to read about baby animals. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Baby bear holds his toes. He wants to be a circus bear when he grows up. He wants to make all the children laugh. Baby squirrel has come to see what his little cousin the chipmunk is so busy doing at the end of the long branch. Baby chipmunk has a delicious nut and he's going to stuff it into his cheek before the baby squirrel gets it. They both like nuts to eat. Baby fox is full of mischief. He is hoping he will find a sleepy rabbit to chase, but the rabbits are hiding. Baby lamb is dancing over the hills and meadows. It is spring and everyone wants to dance after the cold winter. Baby opossum is pretending to be dead. If a big bad dog comes along, he will play dead and the dog will go away. Baby skunk is fooled by his playmate, lying so still. Baby lion roars, just like his father. One day, he hopes he will be the king of the jungle. Baby tiger says, "You frighten me." Baby tiger looks like a great big kitten and he loves to play like one. Baby monkey swings from branch to branch. He holds on with his 2 hands, with his 2 feet, and with his tail. Baby orange U-turnum also lives in the trees. He is putting a leaf on his head to keep the sun off. Baby woodchuck has been asleep all winter long. Now he is eating tender grass and a small tasty root. Soon he will be very plump. Baby mink has just caught his first fish. He is doing to show it to his mother and then eat it for breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Baby camel walks very well and can go for a day without drinking. He keeps food and water in his fat humps. And baby owl says, "Whoo! Who's undressed and who's in bed? Who's awake and who's asleep?" The end. By Baby Animals. Good